Are you ready to ace the Certified Ethical Hacker or CEH exam? Welcome to Geek Inside, your ultimate guide to mastering cybersecurity. Today, we're delving into the heart of the CEH exam, providing you with advanced strategies, domain-specific insights, and expert tips to propel you towards success. The CEH exam is not merely a test, it's a gateway to unlocking exciting opportunities in the world of cybersecurity. To conquer this challenge, a strategic approach and a solid understanding of the exam domains is required. The first domain, Introduction to Ethical Hacking, requires immersing yourself in the mindset of an ethical hacker, understanding the importance of legal and ethical considerations in cybersecurity. Footprinting and Reconnaissance, the second domain, teaches advanced reconnaissance techniques including OSINT, open-source intelligence gathering and footprinting tools like Maltego. In the third domain, Scanning Networks, you will delve into the minutiae of network scanning, learning about advanced scanning techniques, evasion tactics, and the interpretation of scan results. An enumeration, the fourth domain, will have you mastering the art of enumeration, leveraging advanced scripts and tools to extract valuable information from target systems. In system hacking, the fifth domain, you will move beyond basic exploitation techniques, exploring advanced privilege escalation methods, post-exploitation tactics, and lateral movement strategies. The sixth domain, malware threats, will deepen your understanding of malware analysis, dissecting sophisticated malware samples and reverse engineering malicious code. Sniffing, the seventh domain, will have you exploring advanced packet sniffing techniques, including protocol analysis, packet manipulation, and the detection of encrypted traffic. In the eighth domain, social engineering, you will delve into the psychology of social engineering, mastering persuasion techniques, pretexting strategies, and effective manipulation tactics. Denial of service, DOS attacks, the ninth domain, will have you learning advanced DOS mitigation techniques, including traffic analysis, anomaly detection, and DDoS, distributed denial of service protection mechanisms. Session hijacking, the 10th domain, will provide insights into session management vulnerabilities, session fixation attacks, and effective countermeasures to prevent session hijacking. In the 11th domain, hacking web servers and applications, you will uncover hidden vulnerabilities in web servers and applications, including advanced SQL injection techniques, server-side exploits, and web shell backdoors. Finally, in cryptography, the 12th domain, you will deepen your understanding of cryptographic algorithms, key management principles, and cryptographic protocols, including SSL, TLS, and PGP. Now that we've explored the CEH exam domains in detail, it's time to discuss advanced strategies for exam preparation, hands-on labs, and real-world simulations to hone your skills. Stay tuned for more videos, where we'll dive even deeper into mastering the CEH exam and advancing your career in ethical hacking. That concludes our in-depth exploration of the CEH exam domains. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Geek Inside for more cybersecurity insights and exam preparation tips. Until next time, happy hacking!